How water pH and buffer influence agricultural practice. The process of agriculture is dynamic and intricate, and it greatly depends on a number of environmental elements to guarantee crop development and yield. Among these buffers, pH level and water are important determinants of the productivity and health of farming operation. In order to maximize crop yield and preserve soil fertility, modern farming must comprehend how two factors affect agriculture to, it's important to plant physiological purposes. Water is crucial to agricultural activities. Plants can carry out photosynthesis, move nutrients throughout their tissues, and sustain circular sugar pressure when they get an adequate supply of water. Plant trees from inadequate watering can result is slow growth rates, decreased yield, and heightened vulnerability to pests and disease. Effective water management techniques are essential in this area with limited water supplies. In order to minimize waste and minimize absorption, methods like drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting are used to preserve water sent is strength to the plant roots. The ability of vital nutrients to plants is largely determined by pH level. The pH level scale, which goes from 0 to 14, 7 being neutral, measures how basic or acidic the soil is, since disable the best possible absorption of nutrients like potassium, phosphate, and nitrogen. Most crops refer a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0, which is lightly acidic to neutral. The pH of the soil has an impact on microbial activity, which in turn impact the availability of nutrients.